Tokyo. Just landed from London into Hong Kong, and now I'm going to take a quick flight up to Tokyo with Cathay Pacific. So let's go check it out.
I start today's trip in the Cathay Pacific First Class Lounge at Hong Kong International Airport, as I was a connecting passenger from London. The Pier is one of my absolute favourite lounges in the entire world, and I love spending as much time in here as possible as I can. Unfortunately today I only had about 30 minutes to spare on my connection, and then I had to make my way off to the gate. Today's flight time would be just over 3 hours and 12 minutes, and I'll be travelling just over 1,800 miles from Hong Kong International Airport to Haneda in Japan. The aircraft operating the route today for me would be a wide-body Boeing 777-300, and not the ER variant. This was the original variant and had recently been reconfigured to have 42 seats in business class and a massive 396 seats in economy. With that type of seat configuration, sort of reminds me of the good old days when Japan Airlines would fly an all-economy 747 on a short domestic route. I'm still waiting for that day when an airline announces they've bought an A380 and they're going to be selling seats in a all-economy configuration, packing out 800 seats on the aircraft. Today I was seated in window seat 40K, which was an economy seat in a bulkhead position, which I had specifically picked for the extra legroom. As with all bulkhead seats, the only downside is that the tray tables are located in the seat rests, which does limit the width of the seats. Just for reference point, I'm 6 foot tall and I had plenty of legroom here. A blanket and complimentary headphones to use during the flight are handed out before departure. I've always enjoyed the quality and service levels that come with flying Cathay Pacific in any class. They're always an airline I've really enjoyed flying, and thankfully as of late they've started to become profitable again, because they were struggling for a bit. I have included the Atc Communications for this takeoff roll, so I hope you enjoy them, and I'll speak to you again when we're up in the air.
So Cathay 542, good afternoon on taxiway Whiskey 2.
Cathay 542, ground, good afternoon, Hotel Hotel.
Roger, Hotel, Cathay 542.
Cathay 542, taxi Juliet 10, holding point.
Taxi Juliet 10, holding point, Cathay 542. Cathay 542, approaching Juliet 10, holding point, should we contact the tower?
Cathay 542, stable frequency. Cathay 542, connect tower, stop over 8 decimal for today.
Taxi 4, Cathay 542, today. So Cathay 542, ready to turn.
Cathay 542, tower, roger. Cathay 542, behind landing traffic short final, line up 25 left behind.
Pilot runway 25 left behind the landing traffic on the short final, Cathay 542.
Cathay 542, wind 270, 6 knots, runway 25 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 25 left, Cathay 542.
Cathay 542, roger, contact departure is 123.8.
123.8, Cathay 542, good day.
Good day.
It was a really nice evening for flying, and we made our way up to 38,000 feet in no time at all, in nice smooth weather. Even on a short flight like this, Cathay Pacific's ticket price includes a drink service and a hot meal as well. My starter drink to go with my snack was some red wine. It wasn't the best red wine in the world, but it was something to drink. I figured I might as well have some more red wine to pass the time. Tonight's meal was a beef stew of some sort with white rice and vegetables on the side. The meal was just okay, but it was just a short flight. After my meal, I did my standard check of the bathroom and everything was in pretty good shape. There were even some amenities that you could use to freshen up with if you needed to. I then checked out the in-flight entertainment, and Cathay Pacific does have a pretty good Western and Eastern selection of movie content and TV shows to watch, and the picture quality on the screen, despite an old aircraft, was still pretty good.
Very much subject to the units from control. Have you touched down at 9 o'clock in the evening, which is pretty much our schedule. There's a 1 hour movement time change from Hong Kong to Tokyo. So you pushed out one, time is now 27 minutes past 15. The weather is pretty good. Light breeze from the north. Temperature is rising to 12 degrees centigrade. 1-2 degrees centigrade on the ground. And once again, thank you for flight plus. We'll be sending you soon.
I really enjoyed my short hop with Cathay Pacific, and I would definitely have no problem flying them again, as I always enjoy the flights I take with them. So thanks very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the like button, leave a comment, and make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you all again soon for another new video on another airline. Thanks for watching.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.